In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom domain with Google Sites. Before we begin, make sure you already have a site created in Google Sites and that you own the web address you want to use. You'll also want access to the account where your domain is registered, just in case Google needs to confirm ownership during the process. With that in place, let's connect your custom domain. Start by opening your site in Google Sites. You can do this by going to your Google Sites dashboard and selecting the site you want to publish on your own web address. It's helpful to confirm you're in the site you intend to use, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once your site is open, look to the top bar and click the Settings icon, the small gear. In the Settings menu, choose Custom Domains. This is the section where Google Sites lets you link your site to a web address you already own, so visitors can reach it using something clean and memorable. Next, click Start Setup. This begins Google's guided process for connecting your domain. Don't worry, this wizard is designed to keep things straightforward and will highlight anything you need to review along the way. When prompted, enter your domain name. For most people, that will look like www.yoursite.com. Type it carefully and decide whether you want to use a subdomain like www or another prefix that fits your brand. Be sure to use the exact format you intend your visitors to type into their browser. Using the www version is common because it's widely recognized and easy to remember. After you've entered the address exactly as you want it to appear, click Verify. Google will now check that this domain can be associated with your site and that you have the right to use it. Depending on your domain provider and past settings, this can be quick, or it might require a short wait while Google completes its checks. If anything needs your attention, Google will clearly indicate what's required right on the screen. Once verification completes, your custom domain will be connected to your Google site. Keep in mind that it can take a little time for everything to appear live everywhere on the internet. If you don't see the change immediately, give it some time and then try visiting your new address again. If you run into issues, double check the domain you entered for typos and follow any on-screen guidance. And that's it. You've connected your custom domain to Google Sites, giving your project a polished, professional web address.